Hello guys, it's Belen again and we have our special edition for Christmas. So today I will teach you how to greet in Christmas and Christmas vocabulary. First of all, how we say Merry Christmas in Spanish? We say Feliz Navidad. So you can repeat it again, Feliz Navidad. Another important date for Christmas is New Year's Eve. So how do we say New Year's Eve in Spanish? Noche vieja. Now it's your turn, guys, so you can repeat it again. Noche vieja. Another important date is Christmas Day. So how we say Christmas Day in Spanish? Día de Navidad. Simple as that. So now it's your turn. Día de Navidad. And one more date. So Christmas Eve. How do we say Christmas Eve in Spanish? Nochebuena. So it's your turn. Nochebuena. And now I hope you enjoy our episode and thank you very much. If you like it, just subscribe.